warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Renita Dwi Cindy. I'm a student at the State University of Gorontalo from the Department of Chemistry Education Study Program, Class A. This time we'll explain the result of practicum we did. Title: Synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Objective: study the synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Literature review. Limestone is Abu Dhabi in Indonesia. Limestone has the chemical formula calcium carbonate with general impurities in the form of silica, iron, and magnesium. Limestone can be dissolved by rainwater more easily than other rocks. Under the influence of high pressure, limestone is morphed into marble, metamorphic rock. Under certain conditions, calcite contained in limestone is altered into dolomite rock. One of the uses of limestone is for the manufacture of chemical including calcium sulfate. Next, experimental work segment. The first, smooth limestone and the splitting, weighing to 0.0 grams of already crushed limestone, one smooth, approximately 100 mesh. Heat in the furnace at 900 Celsius for 1 hour. Soak powder the patron result with 50 milliliter aqueous, 25 milliliter of 1 molar HCl for 15 minutes while stirring. Concentrated aqueous solution by means of heat evaporation solution not to predicate is formed. When formed, stop heating and add aqueous drop until the hot anymore. Add drop by drop 1 molar sulfuric acid while stirring until formed a solid while help with cold if necessary. Filter the sediment formed and then pat dry, and then qualitative test dissolving solid calcium sulfate in 20 milliliter sulfuric acid solution, and then add 3 drops of 1 molar calcium thiocyanate. Result: weigh out 2 grams of polished limestone. The result: limestone in the shape of powder. 2. Heating in the furnace 900 Celsius for 1 hour. The result: white limestone dust. And then shaking 50 milliliter of aqueous and 25 milliliter of HCl 1 from minutes while stirring. The result is the bright gray solution. And then filter solution. The result: filter clear color residue like gray. Next, defining by evaporation. Keep circle folded on the water and on the white. The result solution is colorless. Adding by drops hydrogen sulfate while stirring until formed on the white the result white the depositing forming, and then measuring a sediment plan, the result filtrate clear colored residue white, and then draining the boiling up, the result white heavy wake on the format, the result heavy salt 0.6911911. Qualitative test. The first, dissolving a few synthesis salt in hydrogen sulfate and a few drops of kalium thiocyanate. Dissolved solid and solution become pink. Dissolving little sound by 10 milliliter nitric acid 1 molar and a few drops of natrium carbonate anhydride 1 molar. The result, dissolved solid and clear colored solution with bubbles. Next discussion. The experiment involved several states, including the following states of sampling preparation, synthesis, and qualitative test. The experiment process of taking limestone sample was taken near the river, the village of Bulide, Kota Barat, city of Gorontalo. Figure 1, sampling. The preparation step begin with crushing the limestone first so that the hot limestone evaporation easily. Then it is sifted. Figure 2, sample state. Being hidden 2 grams of limestone dissolved by 50 ml aqueous and 25 ml hydrogen chloride 1 molar while mixing continuously for 15 minutes. Then the extractive solute and the filtrate is concentrated by evaporation, but it does not deposit form. Then the filtrate is added with sulfuric acid 1 molar until a while deposit is formed. This while solute, the format is calcium sulfate. Sediment, denier, and wagnet are produced a 0.6911 gram egg of sediment. To the first qualitative test, adding a few drops from sulfuric acid and 10 ml calcium thiocyanate 1 molar to a solution from white to pink with silt. White in the second qualitative test, adding 10 ml of nitric acid solution 1 molar and 15 drops natrium carbonate anhydride 1 molar of bubbles. And then conclusion, based on the experiment carried out, it can be concluded that the first, limestone is used in making calcium sulfate because calcium level on limestone are very high. And then The weight of the calcium sulfate 3.12779. That's my presentation. Thank you for attention. See you the next time.